Hi, Chox here, and welcome back to the Moon and Space playlist. It is January 1st, Monday, January the 1st, 2018. We are looking at our first full moon of the year. It's a super moon, which means it's super close, closer than an average full moon. And also, it is the first of two full moons for the month of January. So it's going to be a very exciting year this year in the playlist with all the full moons and everything happening on their own terms. We have 2 this month, none in February, and again in March we'll have 2. So this is going to be an interesting time to see what's going on in space. Haha. Right now it is minus 25 degrees Celsius. Where's my phone? Right here, that's where I am. It's a beautiful, hazy, orange full moon. Happy New Year, everyone. Come on, focus, focus, focus. Wow. Camera's really playing with it right now. Full wolf moon. Something yips. Oops. Come on back. It is very hazy, very cloudy right now. Or it could be the northern lights. Get a spectacular array of auroras around here, and it's just, I don't know if it's called moon dogs or if there's because we get sun dogs. It's just beautiful, just a circle of light around the moon, and I know my camera's not picking it up. Yeah, I'm not set up for nighttime shooting of northern lights and stuff like that. Very, very, very bright. So right now we're looking at this full moon 357,000 kilometers away from Earth. It's 98.8% full. This is also called the old moon, or the moon after Yule. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. The rotation's a little bit different this month too, I've noticed. But that's just my own personal thing going on here. Full wolf moon. Now, according to a couple of different sources, this is going to be the closest one in 2018. So we'll just keep an eye on that. Timeanddate.com is where I get my information from, and is fairly accurate, and I really appreciate it. It's free, so it's awesome. But I mean, it's seriously what I use. I'll throw a link down below the video so that you can try it out too. It's pretty neat. Well, my fellow moon lovers, what are you excited about seeing this year? This is pretty crisp for being pretty hazy. But do you see what I mean about the rotation being a bit different? Still seeing the same basics, except I do see that shiny point again on the left-hand side. If I tried to focus in on that right now, because I'm on the wrong spectrum of it, I wouldn't be able to grab it. I wouldn't be able to focus in. It's a very cool shot of the moon, though. I normally don't get the craters right at the top right-hand side either. Or maybe they're down a bit. Anywho. Yep. One little spot's pretty shiny. That's as close as I can get to it. Oh well. It's pretty cold and crisp out here. Anybody have a telescope that can zoom in on that spot? Let me know what it is. Alright, you guys, that's it for me. It is freezing cold out here. It is time to go inside. Thank you so much for hanging out with me in the Moon and Space playlist. It's the Supermoon, the first one of 2018. Hooray! We'll be out here for the one at the end of the month too, because that's supposed to be a lunar eclipse, which makes it, and also a blue moon, because it's the second full moon in the month. So this is going to be a very exciting year in the playlist. I hope you go outside and have fun looking up. But stay warm. Staying warm is a very important aspect of it. Alright, you guys, take care. I'll see you next time in the playlist. Bye! Click one of the boxes all around. Take you to the rest of the stuff.